Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting Grumman Pilots Association. And here we are in the process of doing the canopy on a two-seater. This is a Yankee. And you'll notice now that we have clamped the rear to the bow with some just spring clamps from woodworking. And we've drilled one hole, two holes, two up at the top, two on the other side. That completely fixes the windshield to where the bow is. Now let's walk around to the front for a second. And you'll see that we have a clamp here. We've gone to our 1-inch spacers, not the ones we were using before. So we're all clamped into place nicely. And what we're looking at here is we've clamped here and in the other place on the other side so that the canopy is completely flat against this bow. Now we're getting ready to take the drill. We're going to drill this hole, two up at the top, and the similar spots on the other side. And then that will give us 6 registration points either side. Because, as you'll notice, the canopy is proud right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave it proud, but we're flush here, we're flush on the other side, we're flush at the bottoms, and so we have a couple of places where we're a little proud. But what we're going to do is, after we have the holes drilled, then we're going to take it off the airplane, remove the screws we just drilled in place and put in place. We're going to come back and untake the bows off from the rail. You can see where the bows are fixed to the rail and they're held parallel, and you saw the spacer bars in an earlier video. So we've got everything in place right where we want it. Once we have all these hole drills, we're going over to the table. We're going to put the canopy upside down. We're going to take the bows and we're going to bond the bows to the canopy and let it cure overnight. We'll probably actually bond it tomorrow morning because it's pretty late in the day here, even though I said good morning. But what that will allow us to do is to bond the bows to the windshield, and we'll be able to clamp it, but we'll be able to line it up and screw it into place partially while we come back and clamp it while the sealant cures for a day and a half. And then we can come back and take our sanders and sand everything down flush, and then the canopy goes back on the airplane after we've trimmed these bottom pieces. The same thing with the skirt. We'll put the skirt back on, and at that point we have completed everything we need to do with a canopy change. So let's just come around to the other side briefly. One clamp over here, we're a little proud, so we're just going to come again, drill this one and this one, the two up at the top. And once we get those 6 holes drilled, then we're good to go for moving it off. We have some more prep work to do. I mean, we have to put tape on the inside right along where the bow is so that we can take the bow off and scuff up all the plastic to get good adhesion and promote it. Same thing on the rear bow. So that's where we are in the canopy install. So stand by for some more fun at a later date, but that'll just about conclude this video. I'd like to thank you for watching. We hope you find this information useful, and have a good day flying your Grumman.